Take a ride in the 2021 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, stability control, tire pressure monitor, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season, 4-wheel disc brakes, privacy glass, traction control, variable speed, intermittent wipers. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.